Hi there, Robin here, and we are going to be putting in the HiCKIES lacing system on these shoes right here. So first thing we're going to need to do is cut this open so we can get inside, have a look-see at what we're actually working with. And that's it. It's these guys here, which are going to basically flip over each other and lock into place. So let's make these laces disappear. So what we're going to do is leave these laces on. For reference, we're going to set this shoe up here instead. So in a bag, you get 14 of these actual rubber laces, and that should be enough to do both shoes. So let's see how it works out. All we need to do, based on the instructions, is pull this through the bottom, bring it up the other side, and then latch them together. So let's do another one and see how it looks. Now there's general instructions. And they're basically, you know, it's like pull it through, which is what we're doing here. Bring it underneath. Bring it through the other side. There is a little pin here and there's a little hole there. So we're going to assume that maybe the idea is to pass that through there first. Just like that. Grab hold. And then somehow this is going to lock into place faster than the first one did. And I guess that's working. So let's keep going. Again, under, through, pull it back out the other side. I guess if you want, you can be creative and create patterns with it as well. I mean, if you want to do X, 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 I guess you can do that too. Again, by holding this, I can just work the other rubber band through. There's a little hole there. Of course, that's what we're going in, is we're putting it through the hole. And there we go. Again, it's more the fuss of just getting it on. But, you know, the idea is once you get it on, you're not taking it off afterwards, are you? You're just going to leave it there. So, again, here we go. We're going to do the next one. And who knows? Probably by the time I do the 14th, it'll all be as easy as can be. It's just getting a little slippery after a bit, I guess. Again, you may or may not want that top one on there. It all depends on how tight you want your shoes to be and where your tongue's going to sit. But there you go. That's it. It's done. This top one's probably going to come off because I just realized it's not on over on this side of the shoe here. That's what we wanted to see, what the shoe looks like with it on. Again, if you want to be able to slip this on, just use a shoehorn or something like that, or just throw your foot and just stuff it in there, you can do that. And again, this one's probably coming off. So let's take this off right now. There you go. So we'll save that one as a spare. And that shoe's going to be much easier, much more comfortable to put on and take off. That's for sure. And of course, you can adjust these and have it the way you want. And there you go, all done. Does it work? Well, there you go. You can see for yourself. It is on there, nice, and it's going to last. Will it break? I probably like shoelaces is going to break eventually, right? I mean, that's the whole point. This is all about upgrading it, making it easy to actually use. It fits any type of running shoe or regular shoe, whatever you're looking for. This will work on it. If it's got laces on it, you can replace it. And there we go. There's enough in one package with 14 to do a pair of running shoes. And if you don't go to the very top, you'll have a spare left for each shoe. And it works. Voila. HiCKIES lacing system. Upgrade your shoes today. Well, I hope this video helped you out in your buying decision today. Maybe we'll see you in the next video. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now.